For any help regarding Excel homework help, visit https://www.excelhomeworkhelp.com, email info@excelhomeworkhelp.com, or call us at +1 678 648 4277. SPSS Descriptive Data Analysis Homework Solutions. Read through these SPSS Descriptive Data Analysis homework solutions crafted by us to realize how accurate and detailed we are when it comes to data analysis using SPSS. The solutions are all generated by SPSS and each result is accurate. Exquisite explanations are made to help the student understand easily. Question. 1. Create 2 histograms, one for males and the other one for females, to show the visual interpretation of the data given. 2. Create descriptive tables to assess measures of central tendency and dispersion using the GPA and Quiz 3, number of correct answers. Descriptive data analysis using SPSS. The following are assignment solutions that include histograms and descriptive tables used to visualize the data based on the final scores of male and female students. There are 2 histograms, one for male and another for female students. They are followed by descriptive tables that give a description of the skewness, kurtosis, measures of central tendency, and dispersion for GPA and Quiz 3. excelhomeworkhelp.com. A histogram for female students. From the histogram above, it can be seen that the final grade in female students is not normally distributed, as most of the grades are clustered around a point. It portrays some elements of skewness. excelhomeworkhelp.com. A histogram for male students. The histogram above shows that the final grades for male students are normally distributed. The distribution is leptokurtic because the histogram is relatively peaked at the center. excelhomeworkhelp.com. Descriptive table for females. Descriptive statistics. A. Gender equals female. For female students, the mean GPA is 2.987 with standard deviation 0.6796. Skewness equals 0.343 and kurtosis equals -0.71. However, the mean score for Quiz 3 for female students is N minimum maximum M mean STD. Deviation skewness kurtosis statistic STD, error statistic STD. Error GPA 64 1.244.00 2.987.5.67963-.343.299-.710.590 Quiz 364 4 10.7.231.581.097.299-.626.590 Valid N, listwise, 64. And kurtosis equals -0.71. However, the mean score for Quiz 3 for female students is 7.23 with a standard deviation 1.581, skewness equals 0.097 and kurtosis equals -0.626. Descriptive table for males. Descriptive statistics. N minimum maximum mean STD, deviation skewness kurtosis statistic STD, error statistic STD. Error GPA 41 1.243.902.7885.68139-069.369-643.724 Quiz 341 410.7.291.436.147.369-006.724 Valid N, listwise, 41. excelhomeworkhelp.com. Description of the skewness and kurtosis. It is observed from the tables above that the skewness in GPA for both male and female students are negative. This means that GPA has a negatively skewed distribution, but Quiz 3 scores are positively skewed as the skewness Gender equals male. For male students, the mean GPA is 2.7885 with standard deviation 0.6814, skewness equals 0.069 and kurtosis equals -0.0643. However, the mean score for Quiz 3 for male students is 7.29 with a standard deviation 1.436, skewness equals 0.147 and kurtosis equals -0.0206. Values for male and female are greater than 0. However, the skewness in GPA for male is closer to 0, which means that GPA for male students is approximately normal. Also, the kurtosis values greater than 0.263 are said to be leptokurtic in nature, which means they are not normal. Therefore, the kurtosis for male students' GPA indicates that the GPA is approximately normal but not the case in the female GPA as well as the score in Quiz 3. ExcelHomeworkHelp.com